morning everyone, I'm Rescue Perez grade 3. Today I will teach you about animals around us. This is a giant gourami. They live underwater. They use their fins to move. They are omnivores. They love eating grapes and worms. Snakes are carnivore. They use their body to move. They love eating mice. Mouse are example of small animals. They use their legs to move. Cockroaches are also example of small animals. They are omnivores. They use their legs to move. Birds are omnivore. They use their wings to fly. These are iguanas. They are herbivore. They love eating leafy vegetables. They love eating squash. They use their legs to move. Turtles live both land and water. They are omnivores. They use their legs to move. This is our dog Kenley. She uses her legs to move. She has flat and sharp teeth. Some animals live with us. Our pets. Always remember that we should be kind to animals. Animals have lives and feeling too. We must take care of their needs. They are useful living things. They also need air, water, food, and shelter to stay healthy like us. So let's love our pets so they can live happy. Thank you God for the gift of life. That's all for today. Ito po si RJ Perez. Iba ang may alam. Thank you for watching.